Welcome to my channel. Today we will install this retrofit window. Okay, Fernando, come here. Remove this one. So the way you remove this old window, just leave it up and pull it out on the bottom like that. Okay, and then we will remove the other panel. We are installing the retrofit window there like that. So we are just removing the panel, the two panel screen panel, and we will keep the what you call the framing there. Okay, and then this one we will just put it screw. Oh, with the screw. There is a screw there, Fernando. My drill is there, Fernando. There. So remove this middle partition. Like that. And then you can recycle this, remove the glass and bring the aluminum frame there. Okay, go, then go up, and it's easy, right? Easy to remove. Okay, so we will leave like that and measure it. Let me see if I did it right. Fernando, measure the opening, please. So that one is 33 and a half. Okay, 33 and a half. Hey, use my metro here. 33 and a half. The width. When you're measuring the window, you will start on the width.
6 feet.
Huh?
6 feet.
Exacto, 72?
Yeah.
No, okay. The metal?
71 and a half.
71 and a half, okay. Let me, I forget. 71 and a half by 33 and a half. Hey, the small one, the chiquito. 33 y media. 71 y media. Yeah, so you have to measure that. Make sure it's okay. Otherwise, if it is opening is small, just trim this metal like that. There. And that one we need to remove that. The one on top. It's good. Fernando, we need to remove the metal. That metal is like a flashing.
Yeah, we cut the granite one.
Yeah.
Granite.
Okay, so we have to remove that to plus. I turn off the camera because it will be dusty. And then you have to put a bit of caulking like that. You put generous bit of caulking, especially on top and side. The bottom one, just put light. It's not that important. The most important is the one on top and on the side. Like that. You put it generously. So when you put the window, you will press it, and then you add more on the edge. Okay, so and then we'll just peel up those void between between these what you call the casing of this window and this stucco. Fill up with this white caulking all around, top and side and bottom. And the way I did it inside is you know, I screw it and like 3 screw there, white pan head, 1 in the middle, 1 on top, and 1 on the bottom. What I did is I removed this window panel, and I removed this bottom rail. It's kind of tricky to remove this, but you can do it. What I did is insert a screw there and pull it up, and then just put it back. You can see, before you screw it, you have to check the clearance, like that one, from, you see, from top to bottom, and make sure it will close like that. There. There. Okay, so that is that is the way you install this retrofit window. It's easy, and you know, sometimes it's difficult when the window are a little bit bigger than the opening. You know, if they are a little bit bigger, just trim the aluminum frame like that, and then I will just put a molding all around this window. Put maybe a casing and molding around that window. Okay, so thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, share and subscribe on my channel. Goodbye.